Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create your Best Buy account. So if you want to create your Best Buy account, first of all open up a browser, search for Best Buy sign up. After searching for that, tap on the first link, and after tapping on that link it will take you to a page where you can create your account. So in first blank you have to enter your first name, and in second blank you have to enter your last name, and then enter your email address, password, and confirm that password, and then enter your mobile number. After doing all that, you can tap on create account and you will successfully create your account. Or you can also use sign up with Google. And after tapping on sign up with Google, you have to choose your email account and then tap on confirm. And after doing that, it will take you to a page where you should enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, just tap on create account. And here you can see you have successfully created your Best Buy account. So this is how you create your Best Buy account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.